Yes, how are you today? So I'm back with another quick video. So today we are look into the face swap thing. So how can we swap the faces? So I want to show you Discord channel. This is the pics picsi.ai Discord channel. So here you can do the thing is first if you are new to this bot, then you can do that save ID. So I will name as Anna, right? And if I picture that, now I have to save the ID with the image I am going. For example, if you have to swap your face with another guy, so first you have to save your ID with your image, just like that. For example, let's suppose you are Anna and that is your picture. So now just you have to press enter, command set, and ID name Anna is updated because I already created with the name Anna. So now I have to swap the Anna with another picture. Now I have to swap the Anna with this girl here, this beautiful girl here. Now, all right. So now if I have to swap, then I have to write swap ID. Then I have to write the name Anna and which girl I have to swap the face with Anna's face. So now I have select this word right there, and now if I hit enter, then it will give me the picture of swapped Anna. Hey this. So if I click on this browser, you can see here it that is the picture of the girl Anna. And now you can see it swap the face. So this is the first approach we can do that swap ID. And here we have this another website which is Remaker. Here you can swap this, upload this image and do this. And if we do this, click on the swap, and we have to wait for some time to generate the swapped image. Okay. So now it swapped the image.
Infinite. If it is gay, it's
Oh, it's the oh yeah. So which target face do you have to swap in this card? So I have to swap this image with this card. So that's how it looks like. You can upscale it, you can download it, right? And as you can see, it's a bit good. It's a bit smooth rather than this, right? So this, and now you can download that. So that's the second method. And if you want, now the third thing is you can also do that with iCreate, but now I want to do a video face swap. So it's you can do that by you can only create one video in 24 hours, right? You don't we don't create like multiple videos in 24 hours. You only have one video limit. So I have already exceeds my limit. if I do the VPN process, let's say I change my VPN and maybe it works. So upload the video. I guess I have this video. 8 to 4. And I have now this is the face of this person. I guess I maybe choose more clear video. And if I choose this, now if I swap faces down, it will take, okay, who have reached the maximum usage, pay up to 1 times per these unlocked better. So I guess I have to do this. But if you are a new user, then you can do that. Okay, I have tell you the how you can do that. So just click on this, and this. If you want to, if you didn't want to search girls images from the internet, then you can also create your own girl on image from using the artflow.ai. So this is the website, artflow.ai. If you search this, you can get this, right? So if you also want to build some model, Instagram model, you can also do that. For example, if you click on this image studio, so here I just I create these images, right? So you can also do that. So if I say create new image, and I would say just select this realistic part, right? You can also create the prompt, a girl be so I would say when we were enjoying at the party, right? So you can write a detailed prompt like the color of the hairs, like the colors of his of her eyes, like the shape of hers, like uh, like the colors of the clothes she's wearing. So you can do that, right? Up between enjoying the party. So I would just do this simple prompt, and you can also write the negative prompts which you don't want in the images, right? So you can just enable that, and you can write what things did you not want on that image. So I just simply do that. You can also select the ratio, the portrait, presentator, something like that. I just do this general thing, right? So if I say the generate, so it will give you 4 images. It will take time. And from these images, what you can do is which you go to the video, the create.ai, some the website. So here you can where you can do the video swapping, right? And then you can create any video. For example, if you have kind of any video from the Pixabay, from any website, from Instagram, you can, if you download the Instagram reel from some girl is dancing on the Instagram, right? So what you can do is pick that video, and then you just drop the video into the my creator website, right? And then you can swap the Instagram model with your model. So it's create a new video, right? So you can build a proper Instagram page with the model, and you can earn money. So here is the picture of the girl. You just look at that. It's a realistic image. and just background of the folks are partying and enjoying, and you can do that, right? Where you see some pure realistic image.